Random Amazon home find. This is a 6-in-1 cleaning tool for your phone and chargers. It has 3 silicone brushes to clean the dirt from your devices and 3 sections to clean all your chargers. This is a portable massage pillow that works on almost any chair, has a built-in heat setting, and you can adjust the Velcro backing to various heights or simply use the pillow on its own. And protect your personal information with this security stamp. One swipe will cover all your personal information. Amazon bedroom favorites. This gadget lifts the mattress to easily tuck in your fitted sheet, and this gadget easily tucks in your sheets for a perfectly made bed. This bed shelf holds up to 33 pounds, has a built-in drink and tablet holder, and there are a few ways to customize it. It's perfect for holding onto your snacks or electronics. And grab this multi-use outlet. The unique design ensures you can use every outlet on it. It isn't bulky on the floor, and it's also a nightlight with a dawn to dusk sensor.
Amazon favorites on sale now, starting with my cordless stick vacuum cleaner, my portable charger that's great for travel, my viral digital clock, this would be a great gift for anyone, my sanitizing wipes container to hide the packaging, my super quiet and long-lasting humidifier, and my Pottery Barn dupe bookshelves.
This might be the best Amazon home and kitchen haul in the history of ever. You can thank me later, let's do it. Links to everything will be in my bio and in my LTK, so it'll be really easy for you guys to shop anything. Look at these glasses, are you kidding? And it comes with, well, it doesn't come with, but I ordered it with all of these straws, different shapes, colors, glass. They're wildly satisfying. This looks like a really pricey relic. This is an antique. This should be worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. In fact, I saw one similar to this that was $700, and so I didn't get it. And this bad boy is from Amazon and looks so good. Okay, so this is actually on sale right now. So Run Don't Walk, it's on sale for $47. It's usually $59. Comes in a bunch of colors. It literally is this massive blanket. It feels like a Barefoot Dreams blanket. I have so many Barefoot Dreams, and this feels the same. It has a stretch. It's so cute, and it comes in other colors too. Usually salt and pepper holders, yeah, and then I'll also link for you guys the salt that I got to put in it. Most aesthetic holders, canisters, I don't know what you would call them. You could do Nespresso pods, you could do pasta in the big one. You wouldn't want to do sugar or flour because the closure is literally that, but they're wildly beautiful and so satisfying. Even little sugars for your coffee in the morning, tea, whatever. The next thing I'm going to show you is also on sale for $32 for a pack of 4, normally $48. So this is my CB2 pillow. It was probably over $50. I've had that one for a long time. These are from Amazon. They're so cute, and they come in a set where they have different colors. One side's teal, one side's cream. I'll put it all in the bio so you can see it. These candles, they come in a set, and they're also, you can turn them on by remote control, but I'm gonna put them up above my fireplace. They're so chic, and the reflectiveness of the glass also looks really nice. Have you ever seen cuter cutting boards? Look at these. They're so aesthetic. It's deep teals and sages. This honestly isn't even the whole order, so let me know if you want to see a part 2 and follow me for more videos like this.
Amazon bedroom favorites. Save space on your nightstand with this 2-in-1 outlet diffuser and nightlight with 8 color options. My favorite sheet set has over 196,000 reviews, comes in over 40 colors, are cooling, and the fitted sheet has a deep pocket so it will tuck under your mattress and it won't pop off. This ribbed glass carafe keeps you hydrated and looks elegant displayed on a nightstand. And keep your cords off the floor with this nightstand cord magnet that comes in a few colors.
People are saying their favorite purchases of 2022. I would say that this would be. I bought it in 2021, but I would have bought it 72 times over again if I needed to in 2022 because it's probably my favorite purchase that I've ever made. This is this bold statement. Hatch alarm clock. Never has been an ad, never will be. Well, maybe. I mean, it could be. I don't know. But tattooed on my forehead, the fact that this thing, it literally is the reason that I can wake up in the morning. I used to press snooze. I used to be in a bad mood from the iPhone alarm clock because it would put anyone in a bad mood, I think, listening to that. And also, I didn't realize that I liked listening to a sound machine until I got the Hatch. I used to like to listen to a TV when I would fall asleep or a video or music or something. But now I listen to light rain to fall asleep, and now I can't sleep without it. Also, I've never paid for a subscription since I bought it. A lot of people are I don't want to pay monthly for anything. I bought it, I think, in November of 2021 and have not paid anything since. And I also wake up to the sunrise alarm clock, and I wake up before my alarm, which my alarm is the sound of chimes, but I just do the sunrise and it wakes me up, and I'm how did I just wake up? What am I waking up from? But it's because your brain thinks that it's the sunrise rising. Also, if your significant other doesn't like to wake up at the same time as you, it probably won't even wake them up if you wake up to the sunrise part because the light is not anything crazy. It's probably not gonna wake up who is on the other side or bother them. And then also the alarm is way less crazy than a typical alarm clock sound. Anyways, not my favorite purchase of 2022, but probably my favorite purchase, yeah, ever.
Favorite products for moms, starting with these silicone artist mats. We've been using these artist mats for over a year and a half for all of our arts and crafts projects. Cleanups are super easy with just wiping away, or you can run it under water and use dish soap for tougher stains. Simply roll up and store for next time. Next are my famous doorbell chimes. This requires no drills. Instead of yelling for my girls, I just push the bell to get their attention. If you're always finding treasures under your couch, you need these toy blockers. And for those of you who have carpet, a lot of you suggested flipping it upside down and sticking it to the bottom of your couch. And last is a set of picture frames. Open the frame to store all of the artwork your kids bring home from school. Which one of these products did you find most helpful? Okay, if you have small damages and holes in your walls from hanging things, this 3-in-1 repair applicator may help. Just apply, smooth, and sand. It's super easy to use and a #1 bestseller that's less than $10.
Amazon products you need or don't.
This might be the best shower head your money can buy. With 276 evenly spaced holes, it is the largest shower head on the market. Simply unscrew your old one and screw in this one. And when you let the water run, the acrylic glass creates a rainfall shower experience unlike any other shower head. You can also turn it vertically as well. And when you're done, the water empties from the shower head. So is this something you need or don't?
Amazon favorites, part 13. I know everyone on TikTok is going crazy over the electric lighter, but call me old-fashioned, I really like old school matches, especially when they're pink. Comes in other colors and looks great on your vanity.
Random Amazon finds that just slap. This gadget helps you get every last drop out of your bottles of soap, shampoo, ketchup, mustard, and even honey so you don't have to struggle. When the bottle starts running low, remove the original cap, replace it with one of the new adapters, store the bottle upside down so all the contents go to the bottom, making it super easy to dispense every last drop and there's no more waste.
Everybody says, get on TikTok and post something. This is me posting something.
More kitchen favorites of 2022, starting with this cutting board. My drawer dividers have been a huge help at keeping me organized. I use these for my kitchen towels and my plates and cups. Next, my viral Ziploc containers are still a favorite, and so are my utensil organizers. This is a great way to maximize a small drawer space. My #1 bestseller 2-tier organizer is perfect for holding extra sponges and other cleaning items. And last is my bamboo knife organizer for my drawer. It holds up to 16 knives and it's on sale today. Favorite gadgets of 2022, starting with my viral digital clock. It has 2 USB ports so you can charge up your devices. My handy pocket-sized cleaner will help clean your phone and AirPods. These earbuds are budget-friendly and very similar to Apple AirPods. Flip the case over and use them as speakers. My mini air purifier uses HEPA filters and is a favorite during flu season. My portable cooling mist is great for the winter dry air. It's quiet and perfect for travel. And finally, my Ring remote so I can fold laundry and scroll on social media at the same time. Okay, if you need help organizing under your bed, this set of rolling storage containers are perfect. The wheels make it easy to move around, and you can lock the wheels to keep them in place. It was super easy to set up, and now we can neatly store away extra toys and clothes.
10 Amazon finds that are both pretty and functional. This wicker storage side table has been perfect in my son's room and would be great in a living room as well. This pretty bowl doubles as a colander. Wash your fruit, then put it on display on your counter in the same bowl so you're encouraged to eat it. I love using an ottoman to store my kids' stuffed animals and blankets, adds seating, and keeps everything hidden and out of the way. These matte black cleaning bottles are absolutely beautiful, make leaving cleaning products sitting out pretty. Grab a trash cabinet that works as furniture and swap that out for your laundry bins. It's a perfect way to have laundry baskets in the hallway. This white folding ladder is absolutely beautiful and holds over 300 pounds. I'm a huge fan of decorative canisters. They allow you to keep so many things within reach on your countertops. This floated trash can is so cute and has an automatic sensor, which has been a game changer for us and our dog. I might be getting old, but this storage toilet paper holder is one of my favorite things. And I love these over-the-glass shower hooks for holding towels. All of these items to keep your house functioning well and looking pretty are linked to my Amazon.
Amazon must-haves part 13. This is a really cool LED spiral lamp. It modernizes the look of any room. It's dimmable, versatile, and has 3 levels of brightness for any space. If you're looking for a modern room addition, this is the lamp for you.
Amazon Home Hack. This couch caddy comes with a wireless power bank to wirelessly charge your phone and 2 other devices at the same time. Remove the wireless power bank for the perfect section to place your remotes. The drink holder is completely spill-proof, and the food-grade snack bowl can hold up to half a bag of chips. This gadget is perfect for any room in your home, including living rooms, offices, and bedrooms. Amazon Home Favorites. These coffee mugs come with a lid to keep your drink warm, prevent spills, and doubles as a coaster. This stamp comes with an ink protector and is perfect for covering info before you throw it away. This electric candle lighter has an adjustable neck to reach into jars where the wick is lower. And the double-sided design of these shower curtain hooks allows you to hang or remove your shower curtain and liner separately. Amazon Home Hacks. These restickable fridge labels use nanosuction technology to stick to fridge drawers, bins, and shelves, and you can rearrange them whenever you want. This egg organizer's rolling design brings eggs forward for easy access, and you can stack items on top to utilize vertical space in your fridge. Messes happen, and this is my favorite natural stain remover that works on all washable fabrics. Spray the stain, toss in a laundry pile, and do laundry whenever you want to, and your clothes will look brand new. Amazon Home Hack. A normal outlet extender only lets you use about half the plugs on it because of the design. This outlet extender charges your devices 2.5 times faster, lets you use all 10 plugs, plus includes a 6-foot detachable magnet mount to put on your desk that has 2 USB ports and a USB port. The design also organizes the attached cable. Amazon Holiday Hacks. This is a ribbon organizer that holds 10 rolls for easy gift wrapping without the mess. Make mailing Christmas cards easy with this envelope sealer pen that works on 1,500 envelopes. Decorate your door damage-free with this gadget that goes over your door corners and is adjustable to any length. This gadget works both inside and outside of your door. And protect your walls and doors from dings and scratches with this wreath pad that covers the metal frame. Remember this 15-in-1 portable workstation in a briefcase? There's officially a mini version. This 12-in-1 case comes with an LED light, removable whiteboard, organizational space for pens, business cards, notebooks, and tablets. This portable workstation includes a phone and tablet stand and holds up to a 15-inch laptop, so you can turn any flat surface into a functional workspace in seconds. Amazon Bedroom Favorites. This cup cozy keeps your snacks and drinks close to you and prevents them from spilling. It's fully insulated, keeping your drinks hot or cold until the last drop, and I love that you can take this anywhere in your home or use it in the car. And these cooling bamboo pillows never lose their shape and have 25% more memory foam than the others, and these are the comfiest pillows I have ever owned.